Dormy.com.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Manatee County in west central Florida, southeastern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, northwestern Sarasota County in west central Florida until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Memphis to 19 miles southwest of Anna Maria, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sarasota, Bradenton, Palmetto, Anna Maria, Helenton, Greater Sunday Center, North Sarasota, Memphis, Sarasota Bradenton Airport, West Samoset, South Bradenton, Ruskin, Whitfield, Parish, West Bradenton, Holmes Beach, Bradenton Beach, Samoset, Waimama, and Bayshore Gardens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough and Manatee.
Week